Welcome to Touch to Click, and in this video we'll show you how to change window color in Windows 10 in just a few easy steps. This quick guide will help you personalize your desktop appearance. Now let's get started. Step 1 is to open the main system settings. Click the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen, then click Settings to access Windows customization options. This is where you control how your system looks and behaves. Step 2 is to open the Personalization section. Click Personalization from the Settings menu, which is used to customize colors, themes, backgrounds, and fonts. This area lets you change the visual style of Windows. Step 3 is to choose the basic color mode. Click Choose Your Color and select Light to apply a brighter window appearance. This option affects how Windows, menus, and system apps look. Step 4 is to select an accent color for your windows. Click an accent color from Recent Colors or Windows Colors, or click Custom Color to create a color that matches your preference. Accent colors highlight window borders and menus. Step 5 allows Windows to choose a matching color automatically. Click Automatically Pick an accent color from my background so the system selects a color that complements your wallpaper. This helps maintain a balanced and consistent look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials.